Um, I got a couple of things to demo. They will also be pretty quick. Um, Mostly small improvements this week. First one is that there's now like an add new column button up here. Um, it is relative to your current selected column. So you can see like I'm on column A, B, C. So if I add a calc, it should pop to the right of the column that I had selected. And I don't know, I'm just gonna make it now. So there's like a little bit more columnar behavior. So the other thing is that I'm selected on this column. I want to format it. So formatting worked before. You'll also note that it's only highlighting the column that is changing here. Um, it's yeah, I mean it's mostly a UI like behavior, but it kind of feels a little bit more like the editing behavior is what you want. Um, if I pop over to a non-calc field, these buttons should still work. They do flash the whole table because it is actually, you know, I think we want you to know that we're rerunning the whole query, hitting cache. But yeah, so these are more global now. Um,
Richard, just ask a question there. Could we make it not flash the table?
yeah, yeah, probably.
I don't know
I
what other
mean,
people.
not flash at all, or like not even flash the column. Like,
No, I would flash the column, but like,
oh, that's weird.
I don't. I
Yeah.
I don't think there's really value flashing the table for a format change. I don't know what.
Yeah.
I've kind of thought about this for sorts too. Like you could just flash the column that you want to resort if it's from cache,
I
right?
Mhm.
think sorts change everything though, so
Yeah.
everything has to
Okay.
change, so that doesn't work. But
Mhm.
like for formats, I think just flashing the column would make it feel way better.
Yeah, yeah, maybe. I mean, it might be achievable. For now, I'm mostly just detecting if only the
Yeah,
calc is the
yeah.
only thing that changed, which makes it a little more complicated.
Can is that what happens on Calc Run as well, or just Calc format?
It should be. Hold on. Yeah, yeah.
Oh, that's so spicy. Love it.
So yeah, so it's just. I mean, I'm just basically detecting. Hey, are calcs the only thing that changed? If so, we'll just do that calc column. Yeah.
Yeah, that feels awesome.
Um, and I think the other thing that changed this week is I had rename in here before. Rename is each. Um, oh that actually flashed the whole table. That's interesting. I guess I wouldn't have. Oh, it's because it's changing the fields. The
It's probably
fields
changing the
probably.
query directly.
It's
So
changing
like,
other things.
yeah.
Yeah, that
And
makes
then that's
sense.
also why we're doing the formatting change too, because it changes the model or changes
Mhm.
the field. So like it's not, I don't think it'll
Yeah,
be, it's definitely possible, but it's not, it won't be necessarily easy to not
yeah,
flash stuff.
I think if we have bandwidth, we should try to do both because it just would make the app feel better. But
Mhm.
it's if it's hard, we should not do
Yeah,
it.
it's not going to be easy. That's like
Yeah,
it would be a structural rewrite to a lot. So I don't think it's,
yeah.
yeah.
We can also look at that animation that we do or that transition, and maybe we can adjust that so it feels less in your face.
Darn. Yeah, it'd be nice if it was just sort of like a quick.
Yeah,
Yeah.
because like
um,
these little changes have just an enormous impact on the feel of the app. So like if there are little things that we can do, it makes a big difference.
yeah. The change for this renaming this week is that you can do it on any column. Oh, well, that didn't stick. I don't know. There might be a bug there, but hypothetically, you can do it on any column, and it was working yesterday. But I'm also demoing on Playground because I can't run queries locally today for some reason. Um, nope, it's not sticking today. So there's some kind of bug there. I don't know what it is, but coming soon, I guess. Since it was working earlier. But I think that'll end my demo since that was the last thing I wanted to show and it doesn't work.